Bro, tell me why I open the fridge, stare into it like it's a museum exhibit, close it, and then come back 10 minutes later, like the food updated. Like, yeah, maybe this time there's a full 5-star meal just sitting there. No, it's the same milk, still judging me. Same leftovers from 3 days ago that I already mentally rejected, and I'm standing there like, nothing to eat, bro. You saw everything, you inventoried it, then you open it again out of pure delusion. Like maybe the fridge fairy pulled up and cooked. Maybe the laws of physics changed. And the worst part, you're not even hungry. You're just bored and the fridge is the main character. I don't need food, I need excitement. And that fridge is lying to me every single time.